The mystery of brain aging. Welcome to Zero, Fat TV, Think Different. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking topic that affects everyone, brain aging. Have you ever wondered why our brains slow down as we age? Scientists have been working tirelessly to uncover the secrets of brain aging, and recent research has revealed some fascinating discoveries. These findings could revolutionize how we understand memory, cognition, and even the process of aging itself. In this video, we'll explore how researchers are identifying the key drivers of brain aging, the role of proteins like FTL1, and how this knowledge might pave the way for reversing age-related cognitive decline. If you're curious about staying sharp as you age or just love cutting-edge science, this is the video for you.
What causes brain aging? As we age, our brains naturally undergo changes that affect memory, learning, and focus. Scientists have long known that these changes are linked to the buildup of harmful proteins, reduced neural connections, and slowing cellular activity. However, a recent discovery has zeroed in on a specific protein called FTL1. Research from UCSF shows that an excess of this protein accelerates brain aging by weakening neural connections and impairing memory. The good news: when scientists blocked FTL1 in mice, their brains regained youthful function, restoring memory and energy to their cells. This breakthrough is helping researchers understand how aging works at the molecular level and opens the door to potential treatments for cognitive decline. Can we reverse brain aging? The idea of reversing brain aging sounds like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you might think. By targeting FTL1, scientists have shown that it's possible to restore some of the brain's youthful abilities. This discovery has huge implications, not just for aging populations, but also for people at risk of Alzheimer's, dementia, and other neurodegenerative diseases. The next step is translating this research into treatments for humans. While it's still early days, the potential to slow or even reverse brain aging could transform the way we approach aging and healthcare. Imagine a future where memory loss isn't inevitable and our brains stay sharp well into old age. Why this research matters for you. So, why should you care about a protein like FTL1? Because this isn't just about extending life, it's about improving its quality. Brain aging affects everyone, whether it's a parent struggling with memory loss or your own ability to focus and learn as you get older. Understanding how the brain ages gives us the tools to fight back, and this research is a huge leap forward. Plus, these studies emphasize the importance of brain health at every age. By staying informed about new discoveries, you can take steps to keep your brain healthy, like staying active, eating well, and challenging your mind. Science is giving us the keys to unlock a healthier future, and you can be part of it. The future of brain health. The secrets of brain aging are no longer out of reach. With discoveries like the role of FTL1, scientists are closer than ever to understanding, and possibly reversing, the effects of aging on the mind. This breakthrough doesn't just promise longer lives, but sharper, more meaningful ones. At Zero Fat TV, Think Different, we're here to keep you updated on revolutionary ideas that change how we view the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story that makes you think differently. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
This video explores how scientists are uncovering the secrets of brain aging, focusing on the role of the protein FTL1 in accelerating neural decline. Recent research has shown that blocking this protein in mice can restore youthful brain function, offering hope for reversing cognitive decline in humans. We discuss the causes of brain aging, the potential for reversing it, and why this research matters to everyone. With advancements like these, the future of brain health is more promising than ever. Stay tuned to Zero Fat TV Think Different for more revolutionary ideas. Stars can't shine without darkness. Rich Hamilton.